everyone, my name is Citra Septiana Ramadhani. My student ID is 15250644. I'm from class 15 to A06. Today I want to present my journal review. The title of the paper is analyzing the trend of government supports for cloud computing usage in e-government architecture. Let's begin. First, what is this topic about? This article talks about cloud computing in government system or e-government. Today, government use the cloud to make public service are faster and better. But they also have challenges like security and privacy. The goal of this study is to analyze global research trends about cloud computing in government. Second, how did the researchers do the study? They use bibliometric analysis. They collected data from a big database called Scopus. Then they use a framework named Prisma to filter the data. Finally, they use a tool called Space to create visual maps of the publication. Next, what are their findings? The trend of this research is growing every year. The top country with the most publication is China, number 2 is India, and number 3 is Italy. Good news, Indonesia is also on the list. For the subject areas, computer science is number 1, followed by social science and mathematics. The study also found important research topics. First is about service-oriented architecture or SOA. Second is about e-government, service and quality. And third is about electronic identification or EID for citizen security. Of course, there are challenges. The big problems are data privacy, low infrastructure in developing countries, and a lack of skilled people for the future. For the future, the paper says we need to connect cloud computing with artificial intelligence or AI, machine learning, and blockchain. Now, let's look at the strengths of this article. First, the research method is very systematic and reliable because it uses Prisma and Space. Second, it gives a good global perspective. Third, it is future-oriented because it discusses AI and blockchain. However, the paper also has weaknesses. It only uses data analyzed and has no real-world testing or experiment, so it feels more theoretical than practical. Also, it only uses the Scopus database, so it might miss on other good papers. In conclusion, cloud computing is very important for modern government. The author recommends that making better regulation, improving cybersecurity, and training government staff to build better digital skills. So that is all for my presentation. Thank you very much for your time and attention. See you.